Next, reduction by carbon. Here calcined or roasted ore is directly heated with coal or coke in a furnace, normally in blast furnace. The metals that will not form carbides at the operating temperature only can be reduced to metal by this method. Examples: zinc oxide, manganese oxide, chromium oxide. On heating with carbon, they are converted into respective metals in this method. Hydrogen is not an effective reducing agent to obtain metals from their metal oxides. However, the oxides of low electropositive metals can be reduced to metals by hydrogen. The oxides of copper, lead, silver, zinc can be reduced to metals by hydrogen. However, the nickel oxide is reduced to metallic nickel by water gas, that is mixture of carbon monoxide gas and hydrogen gas. Some metal oxides like chromium oxide can be reduced by another metal, namely aluminium, and this process is called aluminothermite process. This is also known as Goldschmidt process. The metal oxides having substantial covalent character are reduced by this Goldschmidt process. These metal oxides cannot be easily reduced by carbon or carbon monoxide. Chromium 3 oxide and manganese 4 oxides are examples for this. These oxides are mixed with aluminum powder and ignited in a closed crucible. The ignition is triggered off by burning a combination of magnesium ribbon and barium peroxide. The heat so liberated initiates the reduction of metal oxide. The reactions can be represented as: during this reaction a large amount of heat is evolved and temperature goes up to 2400 degrees Celsius. At this temperature, aluminum reduces the chromium oxide into chromium. Manganese oxides can also be reduced by this method. Some active metals can also be used in this reduction method. Metallites are also produced by this method. When some sulfide ores are roasted in air, they undergo auto reduction or self reduction to produce the metal. For example, Chinnapar mercury sulfide, the ore of mercury, when roasted in air, it produces mercury. This reaction actually takes place in two steps. In the first step, mercuric oxide is formed. In the second step, the mercury oxide decomposes on heating to giving metallic mercury. Sometimes when the mercury sulfide is partially oxidized to mercuric oxide, the mercury sulfide and mercury oxide undergo self-reduction, giving metallic mercury. This type of self-reduction is shown by many sulfides of metals. Zinc, lead, copper, these sulfides of these metals also show self-reduction. This is usually carried out in Bessemer converter, and the process is known as Bessemerization. So this is Bessemer converter. The converter is inside lined with a coating of magnesium oxide and is also provided with tires for the blast of air, that is forced air and sand. So in this converter, ferrous sulfide reacts with cuprous oxide, giving cuprous sulfide and ferrous oxide. The ferrous oxide forms slag with silica, that is sand. Now the cuprous oxide and the cuprous sulfide undergo self-reduction to give copper metal. If you like this video, you can share with your friends. If you want to provide suggestions, you can reach us through the email IDs given or the WhatsApp number 94863 77825. If you want to watch further videos, you can subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.